Hello, my dear children. Welcome to SSLC online classes in our YouTube channel. It's really nice to be back once again after the holidays. In the previous period, we were discussing about the topic that is light, reflection, and refraction. We finished the entire part of reflection, so we are learning refraction part here. Let us understand first the definition of refraction of light. The phenomenon of change in the path of the light as it travels from one medium to another is called as refraction of light. Refraction of light is the phenomenon of change in the path of the light as it travels from one medium to another medium. So this is known as refraction. So here I am considering two different media. One is the air and other one is the water. Let us assume we are having the two different media. One is air and other one is water. Okay. So this will be the interface, or you may take it as a boundary of air and water. So as the light ray is traveling from air medium to water, it changes its path. It changes its path. See, the light is traveling from this point to this point, and light deviates here. Okay, this phenomenon is said to be the refraction of light. In other words, when the light is traveling from one medium to another medium, it gets deviated or it bends. So that phenomenon is known to be as refraction of light. I hope you got the definition of this clear. Let me take a few examples for refraction of light observed in day-to-day life. So the first example, a pencil to be displaced when it is kept inside the water containing glass partially, that is due to refraction. Looking into the picture, you will see the displaced part of the pencil here. So when you are placing a pencil or any other such materials inside the water containing glass partially, so it appears to be displaced, that is due to the refraction of light. Okay, similarly we have another example. If you are observing a tank or a pool from certain height, it appears to be raised. Okay, the basement of the pool or a tank raised, that is due to refraction of light. Similarly, human eyes work on the principle of refraction of light as they have lens in it. As they have lens, this will be the lens that you will study this part later in the syllabus. So the human eyes working on the basis of refraction of light as they have lenses in it. Similarly, twinkling of stars, that is due to atmospheric refraction. The stars twinkles due to the atmospheric refraction. Again, if you are watching or looking into the fish pond or aquarium, the position of the fish may appear to come up due to refraction of light. Looking into the picture, so this is your eye, assume this is your eye. A fish is somewhere here actual position we call it as, it is appears to be raised, that is due to refraction of light. You are watching, you are looking into the fish, which is the apparent position of the fish, which is not really in that position, which is below than that. Okay, that will be the actual position of the fish, but due to refraction it appears to be raised. I hope you are getting these kinds of examples right. The next example, that is the formation of rainbow has the refraction as well. I'm not saying the rainbow phenomena that is due to dispersion of light we call it as, but it has the refraction in it. That's why I'm taking this example here. So rainbow also has the refraction in it, also reflection as well. Okay, refraction are there during the formation of rainbow. Okay, so refraction is also playing the important role in forming the rainbow. Okay, so these are all the examples to justify the refraction of light. I hope you got these examples right. Dear children, before heading into the proper explanation of the phenomenon refraction of light, it's better if you know the important terms related to that. Okay, let us try to understand what are those important points. So first one will be optical media. So first one is the optical media. These are the media through which the electromagnetic wave like light pass through. Optical media are the media through which the electromagnetic wave like light passes. So that media is taken as optical media. Generally, media is the plural form of medium. Remember, for light, it should travel from one medium to another medium. That's why we are using the term optical media. Media means the plural form of medium. Okay. These are the media through which the electromagnetic wave like light pass through, or you just take it as light pass through that. Okay. So that is the first term. Now second term, that is rarer medium. The medium, or you say a medium in which the speed of electromagnetic wave or light more if the speed of the light in the medium more, then that medium is known as rarer medium. Okay, the medium in which the speed of light is more, called as rarer medium. It is also called as optically rarer medium too. It is also called as optically rarer medium. So similarly, we have one more medium called as denser medium. A medium in which the speed of electromagnetic wave or light which is less. A medium in which the speed of electromagnetic wave like light is less. You consider here better light instead of electromagnetic wave. You use the term light all the time. Remember, light is an electromagnetic wave. Okay, the medium in which the speed of light which is less, called as rarer medium. It is also called as optically rarer medium. It is also called as optically rarer medium. I hope you got these three definitions clear. The next part will be the interface or boundary. Okay. In the previous diagram somewhere, we draw like this. This will be the normal and this is the interface I or boundary. The light ray which is falling on this point, which bends or which deviates like this. So this phenomenon is taken as a refraction of light. Here I am defining this I, the interface I, the space or the region that separates rarer medium and denser medium. So the region or the space that separates the rarer medium like air, denser medium like water. Okay, I just forgotten. There are so many media which are rarer. There are so many media are denser. Note that air is rarer medium, water is denser medium. Okay. So interface is also taken as a refracting surface. Okay, interface is also considered to be as refracting surface. So interface is the space or the region that separates rarer and denser media. Okay, it is also named as a boundary. Okay, next one, that is incident ray. The ray of light which is falling on the refracting surface is known as incident ray. As in case of reflection part, we have this kind of ray as well. The ray which is falling on the reflecting surface, that is taken as incident ray over there. Here we are taking the ray which is falling on the refracting surface. Instead of reflecting surface, we have here refracting surface. I hope you are getting this part clear. Okay, this will be our incident ray. The ray which is falling on the interface or reflecting surface is known to be as incident ray of light. So similarly, we have one more thing, that is a refracted ray. The ray of light which passes through the refracting surface. The ray of light which passes through the refracting surface after refraction phenomena is known as refracted ray. This will be the refracted ray and this is the incident ray. So refracted ray here, the ray of light which is passing through refracting surface like this after the phenomena of refraction, after the bending occurs, then that is taken as a refracted ray. So we have one more point, that is normal. Normal is there in reflection case too. Similarly, the point in which the both incident and refracted rays meet. Instead of reflection, we are using a reflected ray, we are using a refracted ray here in this case. The point in which both incident and refracted rays are meet. So this point is taken as where the incident and refracted rays meet, that is taken as normal. Normal is generally 90 degree to the refracting surface here. I hope you got these points clear. So the angle of incidence. So let me draw that picture once again. So this is the normal. This will be the interface I or boundary. This is the incident ray of light. And this will be the refracted ray. I'm sorry, this is quite unusual. Anyway, so this will be the incident angle or angle of incidence. So this is the angle of refraction. The angle between incident ray and the normal. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is taken as I, the angle of incidence. So this is the angle of incidence for you. And we have one more point, that is angle of refraction. That is the angle between normal, the angle between normal and refracted ray. This angle is taken as angle of refraction. So the angle between incident ray and the normal is the angle of incidence, whereas the angle between normal and refracted ray is known to be as angle of refraction. Okay, Angle of incidence is denoted by I and angle of refraction as small letter r. I hope you followed all these terms, which are very much important in understanding the phenomenon of refraction. Before ending this class, dear children, I want to talk few words about the current situations. The coronavirus pandemic created the situation where we are not able to contact you people properly. Many of you are willing to be back to the schools, but the government rules are the obstacles here. We know those rules to be followed without many options. Okay. We don't know when the school reopens. The rumors are it may be around the second week of the December, and no one is giving the correct dates about the reopening of the schools. As if now we are sticking to the online classes. Whether the term resumes or further extends, we don't know. Therefore, I urge you that please follow the online classes regularly and make sure that at least 70 to 80% of the topics or concepts to be cleared, and rest are up to you how you are able to contact us, maybe in the form of WhatsApp or phone calls or using any other technical tools, or you may wait till the term resumes. One more thing I can add here at this point of time. You will write the board exams for sure. There is no compromise regarding the examinations are concerned. Therefore, and some may are saying that 30% of the syllabus is going to reduce and all other things. I'm saying once again that is unsure. Whatever the syllabus reduce, we don't know how much it is going to reduce, what portions, and some are given with the curtailed topics, but which is unsure yet again. Therefore, I am wishing you get ready as it is seeming that we are running out of time. Dear students, I am not panicking you, but I am giving the awareness about the current academic year situation, which is really disgusting. For your notice, there is monthly tests are around the corner, so be ready with the preparations regarding the tests. Okay, and timetable portions are going to upload to your WhatsApp groups soon. I hope you followed all these points at the end. I rest this class right now. Take care of yourselves and thank you for listening.